In this video, I will show you how to reset email on your Apple Watch. To reset your Apple Watch, you need to go to your iPhone. On your iPhone, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings app, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Apps. And now from this app list, you have to find out Mail app. Then tap on Mail. And here tap on Accounts. And here you get your email account. Just tap on the email account that you want to reset. And here just tap on Delete account. Tap on Delete from my iPhone. That's how you have to delete your email account first of all. And the email account will also delete from your Apple Watch. Now it's time to re-add our email account. So again, come to the settings and just tap on Add Account. And enter here your email account that you want to add. Tap on Next. Then go ahead and add your email account password and then just tap on Continue. And tap on Continue. That's how go ahead and again add the email account on your iPhone. Now you can just sync mail, contacts, calendars, notes from the email account to your iPhone from here. Then tap on Save. Once you successfully added the email account, now on your iPhone open the Watch app. From My Watch you have to scroll down and tap on Mail. And here you have to tap on Accounts. And now here you get your email ID. Just tap on Sign In. And then go ahead and then sign into your account for verify. Once you successfully added the email account on your Apple Watch app, here you can turn on email notifications from here for your Apple Watch. And as you can see, I've successfully added the email account on my Apple Watch also. So here's the exact way to reset our email for our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.